Nico! Nico, you little monkey, where are you? Ah! A cockroach!
Got you again, didn't I, Camus?
No, you didn't. Well, maybe a little. So, Nico, I need something. I need to ask you something. Where is that little bucket of yours?
No, that's not it. No, not this. Hello? Oh, sorry, wrong number. Bye, Mom. Oh, here it is. Oh, no, that's not it either. Where is my little bucket?
Lend me your binoculars. There it is. Look.
Uh-oh.
And finally, through the concentric funnel. Now, we begin to build the ultimate toxic waste machine!
Genius! We've done it again!
We?
No, you. You've done it again, almighty stink pipe.
Smelly overlord of garbage. Smelly garbage over garbage. Enough! Smelly. Bring me the parts! Now!
What are they talking about?
I don't know. I can't hear them. Disgusting monster. He'll get my little bucket all dirty. Hang in there, little bucket. I'll save you!
How?
Good question.
Oh.
Hey, I know.
Ah!
Dread, get the anvil. Dread, get the shovel. Get this, get that. Now! Ooh, once in a while, I'd like to see him lift a finger.
Go, Camus. Now.
Okay, I'm going.
Hurry up. Do your invisible thing. You know, you're cuter like that. Ouch!
Huh? What is this? Winning lottery ticket. Congratulations, you've won $1 gazillion. I'm rich! I can buy a wagon to carry these heavy things! No, I'll buy a crane. No, I don't need a crane anymore. I'll buy a canoe. Better still, a yacht. No, a submarine. The Navy to go in the submarine.
This cockroach is really stupid.
Air Force.
Your turn. Go.
Now to get my little bucket back.
I know. I'll buy a brand new scrap trash just for me. And he'll have to do all the hard work and all the dirty jobs and lift all the heavy stuff.
Hey, scrap trash!
What?
I think Mop is acting kind of strange.
Mop?
Yes, he's different. His face. He almost looks smart. I think he could be one of those Rainforest hero dudes in a Mop disguise.
Do I look that stupid to you? I would never fall for such an obvious trick. Mop out, mop out, mop out, mop out, mop. See, there's nothing wrong with him. Now get back to work!
Okay. Camus! Hey, Camus, wake up!
Ah! Oh, it's you.
Look what I got, Camus!
What is it?
Look, you fill it with water on this side, and it comes out on this end. You don't have to keep filling it and emptying it. This is a very beautiful thing, Camus.
But what about the little bucket?
What little bucket?
Dish articulator. Check. Concentric funnel. Concentric funnel. Where is the funnel?
And when I'm king of Mars, I'll buy a comet for myself. One for my mother, another for my grandmother, and one for my other grandmother, and... Wait a minute! I never even bought a lottery ticket.